Today we are going to make a simple non-graphical user interface calendar using Python. And before that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Let's start writing the code. I'm going to open my code editor and we will use Microsoft Visual Studio Code in this video. In this video, we are using only one module, which is calendar. Calendar module helps us to find the month or year user entered. Calendar is a built-in module. You don't have to install this module. If you want to explore more built-in modules, open docs.python.org. Let's import this calendar module in our Python script. Now in new line, I will create a variable named y. In this variable, user will input the year. So we will type int then parenthesis because we want input from user in integer form. Now in parenthesis we will type input. And add parentheses again. In these parentheses we will add quotation mark, and in these quotation marks we will type enter the year space colon space. Now the year input is completed. In next line we will create a new variable named m. In this variable user will input the month. So let's type int as we typed in y variable. Now add parentheses. In these we will type input and again we have to put parentheses. In these parentheses we will add quotation marks, and in these quotation marks we will type enter the month space colon space. Now our m variable is also completed. In new line we will create a new variable named cal. In this variable we will use calendar module. Let's type calendar.month then parentheses. In these parentheses type y comma m. Now our main function is completed. Let's print this variable. So in new line we will type print parenthesis cal. Now let's run this program. It worked successfully. So friends, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. And please like, share, comment on this video. Thanks for watching.